Welcome to the art of creating your very own bridal bouquet, a masterpiece born of love, devotion, and a touch of creativity. In this tutorial, I will guide you through each step to craft a bouquet as unique and unforgettable as your special day. I've chosen a mix of timeless roses, delicate cedar eucalyptus, carnations, statice, baby spread, and Alstroemeria. The key is to select blooms that not only speak to your personal style, but also resonate with the theme of your wedding. Before we begin, preparation is everything. Pluck off the guard petal for each rose, as this will allow them to open up more beautiful. And of course, remove any thorns or leaves that may distract from the beauty of the blooms. This simple step ensures the bouquet will not only look polished, but also hold together seamlessly. Now let's build the bouquet. Start with some strong central flower, like roses, as this will anchor your design. Add complementary blooms around it, like your carnations, your statics, your baby spread, Alstroemeria, and working in a spiral motion. Just place stem across each stem on the top to create that spiral. Don't be afraid to play with textures and heights, as this adds depth and character to your arrangement. Personally, I love alternating each flower as I go, so it will create a more lush, natural, and a garden feel. Greenery is the unsung hero of any standing bouquet. It brings life, movement, and dimension to your floral arrangements. As you carefully weave in sprigs of eucalyptus, take a moment to appreciate how their soft, silvery leaves drape gracefully, framing each bloom with effortless beauty. The gentle curves of the stems create a natural, cascading effect, as if the bouquet itself is alive, breathing with organic elegance. Notice how the greenery doesn't just fill space, it enhances it. The eucalyptus adds texture, depth, and a touch of wild sophistication, making your flowers appear even more vibrant and intentional. Whether you are crafting a romantic bouquet or a rustic centerpiece, these touches transform your arrangement into something truly enchanting, balanced, harmonious, and deeply connected to nature's effortless artistry. Once your bouquet feels balanced and full, secure the stems tightly with a join. This will keep everything in place as you prepare for final touches. The ideal length of your bouquet depends on the style you're envisioning. For a classic bridal bouquet, a good rule of thumb is to measure from the binding point about the length of 2 hands. That's typically the sweet spot for elegance and ease of holding. When I'm crafting bouquets, I usually trim the stems at an angle so they can drink water a little better. By focusing on the blooms, the binding point, and the stems, you will be able to see a natural and effortless flow. Finish it off with a ribbon that matches your wedding palette. A simple bow will do, or wrap the stems bottom up for a classic and a romantic look. And there you have it, your handcrafted bridal bouquet radiating beauty and love. This bouquet isn't just a collection of flowers. It's a reflection of your journey, your joy, and the cherished moments ahead. Thank you for creating with me today. May your bouquet inspire a day as magical as the love it represents. Don't forget to share your creations with us. I would love to see how your bouquet making journey unfolds. Or book me for a private session so I can guide you step by step to make your dream bouquets that can save you hundreds of dollars. Whatever style that you are looking for, colors, send me your inspiration and we shall work it out together. I'd love to be part of your journey. God bless.